In this question, we want to use a calculator or program to compute the first 10 iterations of the Newton's methods for the given function and initial approximations. Recall that the Newton methods has this formula. X sub n is the x sub n minus 1, the previous x value, minus the f of the previous x value, and then divided by the derivative of the f of x minus n. So x minus n is the previous value, and x sub n is your current value. So we are given this function. Now, to use this formula or the Newton's methods, we have to come up with this expression for x sub n. So according to this formula, I have to find the derivative f prime. So f prime of x, the derivative of psi is cosine, and the derivative of 4x is just 4, and then the derivative of 4 is just 0 because it is a constant. And then now I can go ahead and write the expression for x sub n based on the f prime that I just got here. So x sub n equals to x sub n minus 1 minus f of x minus n. So we will use the f of x function, and anytime that you see the x, you replace that with x sub n minus 1. And then plus 4x, and again x here is your n minus 1 because we are making order substitution of n minus 1, x sub n minus 1 to everywhere we see x, and then plus 4. And then we divide it by f prime, which is this expression right here. We just got it. So it's 2 cosine of x. Remember, your x is now replaced by x sub n minus 1. So cosine of x sub n minus 1 plus 4. So this is your expression that help you to find the value for the xk. In this case, they are using a k instead of n. It is just a different letter. All right, so we are going to use Excel to run all the calculation because Excel will help us to save a lot of time. Okay, so I'm gonna let the I'll keep using the letter n instead of k. So I'll begin with 0, 1, 2, and so on. We have all the way to 10, so you can drag this all the way down to 10. And then I have my x, right? Your x value. Now, when the subscript is 0, we got that to be 1.1. This is given to you from the problem. So it's 1.1 for x. This is x sub 0. X sub 0 is 1.1. Now, how do I find the value of the next value, x sub n, the next value, right? The current value. So I will use the this cell right here, and then I'll enter this formula. So I'll press equal, right? So the current value equals to the previous x value, and my previous x value is 1.1. So I'll click on that cell right here, and then I'll do minus. The formula says minus right here, and then I have a fraction, so I will put that inside a bracket. Okay, and then I will do the division because I have the numerator and the denominator down here. So on the top, I have a long expression. For the bottom, I also have a long expression, so I'll open 2 more brackets. So on the top, I have 2 multiply psi, right? The function psi, and then the function psi has take the input of my previous x value, which is 1.1, and then I close that, plus 4. I'll put that together. 4 multiply the previous value, close that, and then plus 4. So I group them terms by terms, right? And then I divide it by the second expression right here. 2 multiply, actually I'll put that together. 2 multiply cosine of the previous value of x, which is this cell right here. Close that. Okay. Close that, and then plus 4. So that is my total expression, right? And that will give me the value for x sub 1 right here. And then I need to find all the way to x sub 10. I don't have to repeat that because I use the placeholder, right, for this formula. So basically, if you drag down this formula, it would update your the argument. Anywhere you have the previous value of x, it will automatically take the value of the previous row, and then you will get the current value. So this is x sub 1. We want all the way to x sub 10. So I will drag it down. And that's it. And they also want you to round the answer to 6 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, actually. Not too much. One more. Yep. That should be the answer. And let's put that in and check the answer. Alright, this is 1.1 x sub 2. Oh, sorry, this is x sub 1 minus 0.974998. X sub 2 minus 0.671349. X sub 3 684019. X sub 4 0.684037. And then 0.684037. And I think the rest are the same. Right, so I'm just gonna copy it. Same thing here, 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 and here. So that is the answer for this question.